Chicago policeman Carol Trzewiak is the only CPD officer charged with January 6th crimes and on a very short list of those who are taking their cases to trial, especially in front of a jury. The government resting its case against Trzewiak today. On January 6, 2021, when the U.S. Capitol was up for grabs and police couldn't keep the peace, a man sworn to keep it in Chicago and serve and protect barged into the U.S. Capitol with the violent crowd, according to authorities. It was this man, they say, Chicago police officer Carol Trzewiak, along with his sister Agnes. Today, here at the federal courthouse in D.C., the prosecution finished presenting its case against the Chicago lawman who is charged with disorderly conduct, disrupting government business, and entering a restricted building, among other counts. Today, a number of witnesses to the violence, but none who actually saw the Trzewiaks.
The strength of the case isn't witness testimony, because it's true. We don't have that many witnesses who put them on the scene. The strength of this case is the strength of so many of these cases. It's photographs, it's social media postings, it's closed circuit television, it's global positioning. It's all the technologies that pretty clearly do put him on the scene in these places, surrounded by people screaming and yelling and acting violently. At the end of the day, that makes for a pretty good case.
Former federal prosecutor in Chicago and chief ABC 7 legal analyst Gil Sofer tonight says it will be unusual if Carol Trzewiak takes the witness stand in his own defense, as scheduled tomorrow. Very few defendants do, but because he is a cop, he may have little choice.
The defendant has to convince the jury of what he was thinking. In this case, that he didn't intend or didn't know that he wasn't lawfully permitted to do what he was doing. There's almost no question that's what he's going to try to convince the jury of here.
The D.C. judge this afternoon denied a defense motion for acquittal on all but one charge that she is reserving judgment. That one count accuses sideline CPD officer Trzewiak with entering a senator's office willfully and knowingly and with the intent to disrupt the orderly conduct of official business. Both sides have to better explain their positions on that for the judge to rule. You can expect this to come down quickly, I would imagine.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.